Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a BMW X3 headlight bulb. First, you will need to identify the correct bulb type for your specific BMW X3 model. Many models use an H7 bulb for the low beam or a D1S for xenon headlights. Next, gather your tools, which typically include a flathead screwdriver and a pair of clean gloves. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is off and has cooled down for at least 15 minutes before you begin any work. Before you start, safety is paramount. Always wear clean gloves to prevent oils from your skin from touching the new bulb's glass, which can significantly shorten its lifespan. For an added layer of electrical safety, consider disconnecting the negative terminal of your car battery. This simple step helps prevent accidental short circuits, especially with high-voltage HID systems. Also, keep a clean, lint-free cloth nearby for any delicate parts. Now, let's access the bulb. Open your BMW X3's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You will see a round or rectangular plastic access cover. Gently twist or unlatch this cover to remove it, revealing the bulb and its wiring. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it straight off the old bulb. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wires or the connector itself. With the connector off, release the metal retaining clip or spring that holds the old bulb in place, then carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Take your new bulb, holding it only by its base, and insert it into the housing, ensuring it seats perfectly. Secure the retaining clip, then reattach the electrical connector. Finally, replace the access cover, turn on your headlights to test the new bulb, and close the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.